Hello friends, welcome to Cloud Nexus Tech. In today's video, we are deep diving into Java 17, the latest long-term support release from Java. With its modern feature and performance improvements, Java 17 is set to revolutionize enterprise development. Before we explore its new features, let's understand why Java 17 matters. Java 17 released on September 14, 2021. Java 17 is the first LTS version since Java 11 and it will be supported until 2029 with extended vendor support. For enterprise, this means long-term stability combined with modern features to meet today's evolving demands. It enhances developer productivity with cleaner and more maintainable code. Java 17 optimizes performance, which is crucial for high demand applications, and its modern API is ensure your project are future ready. So what are the key highlights of this release? Let's a quick overview on this. Sealed classes. Sealed classes can be used for controlled extensibility, pattern matching for switch. This can be used for cleaner and more intuitive code. New macOS rendering pipeline. This can be used to boosting UI performance. Deprecation and removal of legacy features. And last one is performance optimizations for better memory management and speed. Let's start with one of the most exciting feature, sealed classes. Sealed classes allow you to restrict which classes or interface can extend them. This incredible this incredibly useful for maintainability and security in complex projects. As you can see in the example, only circle and rectangle are permitted to extend the shape class. This feature is particularly valuable in sensitive applications such as financial system where unauthorized subclassing can introduce risks. For best practices, use sealed classes for APIs where controlled extensibility is crucial. Let's discuss on next feature, pattern matching for switch. Pattern matching for switch, a feature that simplifies how you write conditional logic. Traditionally, switch statement requires verbose casting, especially when dealing with different object types. With Java 17, you can now match patterns directly. You can see this example. This makes your code cleaner and easier to understand. Let's take a real world scenario. Imagine parsing a dynamic JSON object or handling polymorphic behavior. This feature simplify this task. For Mac OS developer, Java 17 brings a game-changing improvement, the metal-based rendering pipeline. It replaces the older pipeline, providing better performance and a more native look and feel. If you are building desktop applications for Mac OS, upgrading to Java 17 is no brainer. If if I talk about best practices, make sure to test your GUI application on Java 17 to leverage this improvement fully. Next interesting feature is context specific deserialization filters. Serialization security just got stronger with context specific deserialization filters. This feature allows you to define filters to restrict deserialization of unauthorized classes, an important security enhancement. For example, you can see the code below. Here how you can configure it. If I talk about its best practices, always define explicit filters in critical applications to prevent attacks like deserialization exploits. Java 17 also says goodbye to some legacy features, helping to modernize the platform. Like applets no longer relevant in today's browser ecosystem, RMI activation system deprecated and now removed, experimental AOT and JIT compilers also got removed. So audit your code base to identify any dependency on these features and refactor accordingly. Simplified memory management. Memory management has seen significant improvement in Java 17. The G1 garbage collector now delivers better pause time predictability. The Jet garbage collectors offers ultra low latency, perfect for real time application. So best practices like consider using ZGC if if your application requires near real time responsiveness. Performance improvements. Java 17 enhances application performance while reducing resource consumption. Faster startup and warm up times, better optimization for string operations and memory footprint. If we talk about the proper use case, so for application handling, so for those application Handling millions of transactions daily, these enhancements deliver noticeable benefit. So, are you going upgrading to Java 17? If yes, then follow these best practices for smooth transition. Analyze dependencies and update the third party libraries. Test for deprecated or removed APIs. Adopt new feature incrementally. Monitor JVM performance using tools like JStat or JVM Flight Recorder. Now let's understand common pitfalls. So here are a few pitfalls to avoid during your upgrade. Ignoring third party library compatibility, overlooking deprecation warnings, failing to test legacy codebase. So these are some common pitfalls that uh, that may occurs during your upgrade. So be mindful while upgrading Java latest version to 17. So its best practices like you can set up a automated CI/CD pipeline to ensure robust testing across environments. So these are the some common pitfalls which needs to be addressed, and we should not ignore these points while upgrading our application to latest Java 17 libraries. So let's discuss learning outcomes. Long-term support ensures stability for enterprise projects. Modern features keep your codebase relevant. Enhanced performance and security deliver scalable applications. Now at the end, thank you for joining this deep dive into Java 17 new features. So if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to Cloud Nexus Tech. Share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which Java 17 feature excites you the most. Stay tuned for more deep dives and tutorials. Till the time, thank you.